So it's interesting how many security issues start as an IT issue. There was one particular case that we got called into, and the only thing that we knew is that the network was running really slow. We arrive on site, we do an inspection, we're taking packet captures there and checking network bandwidth there, and just trying to assess the situation. What we ended up finding is a bunch of assets that shouldn't have been on the network. So we start pulling cable and just trying to trace it down. The cool air comes up in the data center, they're just pushing the hot air out. And so the coolest place to be is underneath the data center floor. And that's where we found a ton of miners, Bitcoin AMP miners, 20, 30 of them just cranking out. Ended up finding out that the manager of the data center had snuck them in overnight, had to trace back access logs and building key access logs to sniff them out. It's what happens when you don't have good discovery in your data center.